Top three things on my notebook this morning. Number one, China. Number two, the euro. And number three, the S&P 500. First on China, just a parabolic move continues. I'd say, actually, you're running out of words to describe what you can call an epic ramp. You can call it parabolic. And dare you call it belt bubble. But the reality is that China is now continuing with these unconventional quantitative easing stimuli rumors. And again, whether they do some hybrid LTRO or whatever it is, I don't think people understand or care. Chinese stocks up 3% on the session, up 40% for the year to date. And get this, up 96% since the end of October. So again, that's a huge, huge situation that continues to get better as the economy gets worse. How about that? Second thing, euro trading stiffly in the really in the immediate-term risk range that we continue to issue. That risk range is currently 106 to 109 versus the dollar. The dollar was down last week, predicting what? An easier Fed. Yes, dollar goes down when people start to bake in an easier Fed. Dollar was down 0.6% on the U.S. dollar index. The euro was up at the same time, so up 0.6% to up 1.3% on a one-month move. Now, the question is it all baked in the cake? And I don't know the answer. All I'm going to do is give you the risk range. So again, once we get to 109, I think the answer to that is probably yes. And again, that would signal dollar oversold in as much as euro overbought. The final point that I'd make is the S&P 500 finally baked into the cake at the all-time high? And I'd say that the answer currently is no. Ask the futures. Ask the people who are short the S&P 500. You have the biggest short position in a month if you look at futures contracts. Again, if you look at the net position, net long position of futures contracts, futures and options, that is S&P index and E-mini at over 45,000 net short contracts versus the trailing 6-month average of a 32,000 or thereabouts net long position. So again, 6 months ago, people were bullish on the stock market. They got crushed. Now people are short the stock market. They get crushed. Again, fade consensus, and you'll have a happier week. Those are your top three things.